Okay, just wanted to review what we've done so far. Looking at problem number 2, when we multiply by a negative number. If I take a look at my original problem right there. So I started off with negative 3 over 4w greater than or equal to 3. What are they doing with this number over there? We talked about what? Okay, we took the 3, 4, and we flipped it, right? Turned it upside down, so now the 4 is on top, and then the 3. And then when you have a number next to a number in parentheses, we have to multiply. So you don't need your calculator. All you need to know is remember that that 4 and that 4 cross out. This 3 and that 3 cross out. And that ends up being 1w. Again, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So when I do that, I have to multiply the negative 4 over 3 with the 3. And when I do that, again, you don't need a calculator, so watch what I do. That's the same thing as 3 over 1. These numbers cancel out. And I'm left with negative 4. So when I multiply these two numbers together, they cancel out, and I'm left with 1w is less than or equal to negative 4. Now I had a 1 here because negative 4 over 3 times negative 3 over 4 was 1. But do I need that 1 there? No, because how many w's do we have here? 1. If I take that 1 away, how many w's do we have? 1. It didn't change. So we don't need that 1 there. When I go to graph it, oh, what else did you notice? I started with this sign, and what happened down there? Go ahead and take 15 seconds, talk to the person next to you, and tell me what you noticed. So what you guys just told me was that you noticed that the sign flipped, so now it's pointing the other direction. Before, it was pointing that way. Now, the point is facing that way, which goes along with my graph. Since I have an equal sign down here, I circle the 4 and I color it in. And I'm looking at, let's clear this up so we see this a little bit better. I'm looking at w is less than or equal to negative 4. And again, my arrow is going this way, along with what my graph is doing. So that's how you do that type of problem. Let's take a look at problem number 3. Okay, looking at problem 3, we're dividing by a positive number. I'm going to jump down to this part right here, just to explain what do you do when you multiply by a positive number. Again, we have 450. I'm going to rewrite it here so you can see a little bit better. 4.50. D is greater than or equal to 75. So what do I do here when I have a number next to a letter? I have a number next to a letter, so I have to divide it. Excellent. Divide this side by 0.5, but also this side by 4.5. So when I do that, that crosses out, and I get D is greater than or equal to 75 divided by 4.5 is 16 point something in the calculator, but in the book it's showing it as 2/3. They took the decimal and changed it to a fraction. Okay, so instead of writing 16.66666, you can write it like that, or just write 16 2/3. Okay? So that's how you did the problem. Any questions on what do we do when we divide by a positive number? Do I flip the sign? No. I only flip the sign when I divide or multiply by what? When I multiply or divide by a negative number, I flip the sign. Okay? That's the only thing that's different from what we've been doing. Okay?